Hello guys and welcome to the YouTube channel of Billionaire Cars. Today in this video we will talk about Virat Kohli, one of the best batsmen in the world. But before that, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. So Virat Kohli is the captain of Indian cricket team. Recently, Virat Kohli retired as a test captain of Indian cricket team. We don't know the reason of retiring his journey as a test captain. Virat Kohli was a very successful captain in his career. So in this video I will tell you the car collection of Virat Kohli in 2022. So in our list, the first car is Audi R8 LMX, which cost around 2.97 crore. And the second car is Audi A8L, which cost around 1.98 crore Indian rupees. And the third car is Audi Q7, which cost around 80 lakh rupees. And the fourth car is Audi S6, which cost around 96 lakh rupees. And the fifth car in our list is Range Rover Wagyu, which cost around 2.27 crore rupees. And the sixth car is Toyota Fortuner, which cost around 25 to 30 lakh rupees. And the seventh car is Renault Duster, which cost around 15 lakh rupees. And the last but not least, the eighth car is Bentley Continental GT, which cost around 4 crore Indian rupees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.